Hello again, this is Robert Veach here, and this is my video review of a Dremel right angle attachment tool. Now here you see the attachment the way it comes new. It has an instruction sheet, and the package itself has some information about Dremel and this tool on there. Comes with a little wrench and a collet, 1/8 inch, and the special adapter that you're going to need. Now I went through the instructions and they're written pretty clearly, but I'm going to show you how to actually hook this up. I'm going to be using a Dremel 8220. This attachment fits a lot of most of the Dremel tool drivers out there, so you'll have no problem with that. Now when you first get the unit, there is a little rubber cover on there. You want to remove that cover, and you could save that to protect it. And then you see it's got a threaded piece right on there, and you could take the included collet and just rotate that like that. You don't want to tighten it at this point. There is an opening right there where you can put any type of 1/8 inch shaft, and you could lock this in place. We're going to show that how we're going to tighten that collet there. On the other end here is a series of bushings, and that's what's going to attach to your tool. Now on the 8220, you remove the piece right here, and I'm going to unscrew the collet that is on there. The original collet, the same as the one that we just got in this kit. And what you're going to do is you're going to take this adapter that's included, and you're going to turn that on that thread just like that, and hold down your lock button there, and then you want to tighten that with a wrench that's included. Don't over tighten it, maybe about 1/8 of a turn. Now that's on there like that, and then this slides in and locks in, and you rotate this clockwise and you tighten it just like that. Now you could change the position of this. They say there's 12 different positions to this with respect to the tool. So right here you can see it's spinning, and it's spinning counterclockwise just like you'd expect, just like the tool. So that's important so that it stays locking on when it's being used. Now to change the position of this, it's really interesting and simple. You unscrew this screw right there, and you could rotate this on this special piece right there, just like that. So there's where you're going to get your 12 positions right there. And that's really handy so that you can change the angle of this depending on what you're working on. Once you find the angle you want, just tighten it up like that, holding it there, make sure it's tight. And then when you want to put whatever you're going to put on the end here, in this case I'm going to put this tool right here, and when you want to tighten this down, you can do it by hand initially. You don't want to use your lock button right there. You want to insert a spare tool into there and initially hand tighten it, then use the included wrench to finish tightening it. You don't want to use the lock on your tool because it's too far away and you could damage the internal bushings on here. And that's basically it. Then you have your tool, and now you have that 90-degree attachment on there that allows you to work and do various things that you couldn't do without that. So that's a real important tool to have, I think, and it's a very excellent value. So what do I think about the Dremel 90-degree attachment? I really like this product, and I've tested it and it works just great. I think you'll really like it also. It makes this 8220 and any other Dremel tool you have just a lot more handy to use at 90 degrees. Sometimes is totally important to have when you're doing certain jobs. So I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating on my channel. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you alert to new video uploads. If you like this video review, please hit the like button also. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decisions. Thanks for watching.